All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. Actually, good afternoon right now because it's pretty late. So I had a pretty good day on TQQ. We nailed it on TQQ.
Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel.
Sold it right at the top, and I closed the day pretty good, as you see here. I had another position of TQQ that I closed it, $23,000 profit here. Tesla was a bad trading loss, and TQQ was again the best trading that I had. I'm gonna go what we did today, so pretty happy and pretty satisfied with the trading day. So I actually came a little bit late this morning, so I missed this early move. And what I came here, I noticed that the market is gapping up heavily, like about 1%, 1.5% on Qs were gapping up. So I decided to buy TQQ above the VWAP, but I didn't go full size because I knew that it might actually drop a little bit. As soon as it dropped, I added more heavy size on that. And I knew that the Qs, when they're gapping up like that, a day that Q was gapping up 1.3%, IWM was up 3%, so it was a very strong day up. I knew that it's very unlikely that it's going to sell off. That's why I stayed on the TQQ for about 20 minutes, and then when the pop happened, I started partialing out, as you see here, all day, and I actually held it. And the last piece, I got it at 37.90. I wanted to get to 38, but I said, fuck it, I'm gonna get out of it at 37.90. And I had on two accounts, as you see here. I had one account here and then another account over there. Then it eventually turned out to be a very nice trading day. So that was one thing. The Tesla was the same thing happened on Tesla. I wanted to buy the dip on Tesla. So again, came above the view, I bought that, came down, I bought a little bit more. I was hoping to pop out. I got a stopped out. I did it then one more time and I got a stopped out. Eventually turned out to be a loss on that. And Tesla really never had this pullback, even though I did one scalp here on this pullback. But after that, I really tried to do the exact same strategy, buy above the VWAP with the hope that it go down, buy a little bit more, but it really never really got any momentum to go back up. So eventually I lost really big on Tesla, but TQQ turned out to be very, very nice. So overall, what we notice here is that the market gapped up really significantly. So the market really rallied. If you look at the QQQ, it was really, really nicely. We might actually go to 375 on what's the name on the Qs. So it was very, very nice. And I hope that IWM was the one that was really oversold, and Adi had a really great idea that we should buy 200 calls and sell the 160 puts. So I think he made like $6,000 yesterday. He said that. So what you can do is, you knew the IWM is really sold off. So what you could do is you could sell some protection at 160 and buy 200 calls for maybe end of the year or something, because you think that it might trade in this range back. But it was very obvious that IWM is going to bounce back because it was extremely oversold. So that was a really good trading day that we had, and TNA obviously is up, ran up crazily significantly. TNA is the leverage for IWM, and as you see, it was a very, very nice trading opportunity. I wish I was more on TNA instead of TQQ. But regardless, the trading wise is pretty really good and solid. So what we are having here right now is the only position that I have right now is JEPQ, which is now finally in green, and TLT, the puts that we sold on TLT for January 25, $4.61, and they're pretty up right now. So I collected $46,000. So overall, very good trading day, really nice. And I hope that everybody enjoyed the trading day. Sorry, I came late a little bit because I had to leave, and then I was checking over my phone and managing my position. But overall, S&P 500 at 435. It had a really massive rally. 440, obviously around this level, we're getting some resistance. We might get a pullback, but I wouldn't be surprised if S&P 500 go back to around 450. It seems that everybody accepted that the economy, this is the max interest rates, and the economy is staying resilient, and everything everything else is coming down meaningfully. So that was a really good day. So all the best, guys, and TQQ did the best. Love TQQ. And as you know, guys, know that Carlo and I are publishing actually something very amazing on TQQ and Revap. I'm gonna by the end of next week, I think it's gonna be published. I send the first draft to Carlo, and yeah, we'll send you the link for that. All the best and have a good weekend, guys. I had a pretty good day and a pretty good week, really.